So hi everyone, welcome back to my second video in the Linux tutorial survivor series for our bi-weekly lab assignment 2. Today's topic is printing and file system management. So using Linux commands from module 3 and 4 of Linux survival. My name is Akash Patel and I want to thank our instructor Dr. Victor Govindaswamy for giving us this opportunity to learn and explore. Let's jump right in. Let's see the first command. So what you will learn in this video. So you will learn how to print files using simple Linux command, terminal commands. So how to check what's printing and cancel print jobs, how to copy and delete folders, how to check this space, and finally, I will show you two extra bonus Linux commands that are not in the module but are very helpful. So let's start with the printing. So let's start. So if you want to print any files, you can use this command LP command or LPR command. So this sends the files to the default printers and make sure your system has printer service installed like CUPS. So and also make sure that your printer is connected with your device. So let's see. I will show you. So let's see. LP greeting.txt file. So I want to print this txt file. So let's see. So it's already request ID this. So it's already going in this queue. And you can use the like LPR command, LPR greeting.txt. So you can see it's also going to in the our printing queue. So that this is how you can print this file. And if you want to see the queue printing queue, so you can use this lpq command. So it shows a list of print jobs in the queue. You will see job number, username, file name, and status like writing, waiting, or printing. So I will show you LPQ, and you can see printer name is LPGA, generic dot, matrix printer entry. So it's queue to printable jobs, server PID, IDs 1005 active, unspooler PID 1006 active, status cannot open, no such files and directory attempt 3, sleeping 40 because my device is not connected to the printer. So it's like this, and you can see this both the jobs, right? You can see this greeting.txt and greeting.txt file. And if you want to stop the file from the printing, you can use this cancel or LPRM command. So I will show you. So you have to use these like cancel and your ID. Okay. So this cancel job number in the printing queue. So you have to like type cancel and your job number. So it's 2. So you can see this checking queue, this, and it's dequeued. You can see that, right? And I want to cancel second one. So let's see, let's use this LPRM command, right? LPRM and name job number is 8. Let's put the 8 and you can see this. Now let's see the LPQ. There is a no file in the queue. You can see, right? So you using this command cancel and LPRM, You can cancel the printing from the printing queue. So let's see the next. So using this cp.r, it's like you if you want to copy a folder and everything inside it, you can use this command. Let I will show you lp dash r. Let's say first ls. So you will see my all the files and folder. So let's see. I want to copy this coding to new files. So cp dash r coding with the coding files. So and press the enter, and you can see there is a one more folder added in my directory. You can see the coding files. So I will show you like cd code. So in this folder there is two files, and I will show you this second. This is new copied folder. So cd code file and ls. You can see the same, right? It copies one folder to new one. So using this command, uh, you can copy all folders and everything inside it in the new folder. And dash r means recursive. It copies all the files and subfolders, right? Using this dash r. It's great for backup. So this is the very helpful and great command. Let's see the delete folder with rm. If you want to delete this folder, let's say I want to delete this folder. So I will show you rm dash r and coding files r. So uh, this is mistake. Yeah. Now you can see there is there this like that folder is deleted from my directory. So using this command, you can delete this folder, any folder if you want any folder. So be careful. This will delete a folder and everything in it. So no recycle bin. When it's gone, it's gone. Use it only when you are sure. Okay, let's see the next command. So if you want to check the disk space with, if you want to see how much space in my disk, so you can use this df.h, df dash h. I will show you. So you can see my all the files and its size, it how it's used, how much it's used, and how much available, and how it's used, right? So you can see my C drive and D drive. So my C drive is like 269 GB and it's used 98 GB, and I have available space 171 GB, and it's used 37%. Okay, and you can see the D file, it's 684 GB, and 74 is already used, and 676 is available. Okay, so using this command, you can it shows like this space in a human friendly way, like GB and MB. And if you want to any specific folder size, so you can use like pu test h and any folder name. So my folder name is cpp file. Let's see the cpp file size. So cpp file size is like 208K and 80K for the calculator. Okay, so it shows like how much space the folder is using. So using this command, you can see the space, disk space and availability and all the stuffs using this command. Let's see the bonus command. So, so today's bonus command is uptime. So it shows how long the system has been running. So using this uptime command, you can see it's up to there is a time right now and it's take 1 hours and 18 minutes. One user, you can see all the like how long the system has been running and why it's useful. It tells you how long your computer has been on, good for checking the system performance or uptime for the servers, and so system load, how busy your system is. And I will show you the next bonus command is date. So if I tap type the date, you can see today's date, time, and all the stuffs. So day is Friday, June 6, and 12:45 11 seconds 2025. So using this command, it shows like current date and time. And why it's useful, it's great for checking the system clock, useful when adding timestamps to files or logs, right? So that's a great work. In the next video, I will explore how to manage a running process, how to monitor your system live using top, how to stop program with kill, how to use pipes and filters, how to search patterns using grep, and of course, two more bonus commands. So don't miss the video 3. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please press the like button and give me the like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for these types of video. And comment if you have any questions. I will give the answer in the next video. And a very big thank you again to Dr. Govindaswamy for supporting us. And I hope to see you again in the video 3. Thank you so much.